Here is the screen of the laptop. I want to connect this laptop to this television. But what is the procedure to connect this laptop and this television to use as the second monitor in this laptop? First of all, the connecting jack, which is known as HDMI cable, should be inserted on this laptop like this. On this port, the HDMI cable will connect that screen to the laptop as a second screen. Then function F8. Let's see here, this F8 has a screen, you can see it in phone function, this function and F8, press it at a time. You will see the pop-up on the screen. It says PCs only. They will show the screen only in this laptop. If we go to this duplicate tab, it will display on both the screen as a copy of it. This is the same. If we play something here on this screen, it will pop up same as it is on laptop to this television or monitor. Look, this is the same thing, but we can extend it as second monitor, so we can do this. And this is the second screen. This is the second screen I'm using to extend my work on this screen. So I am dragging this horizontally toward this to show the file and functions in this second monitor, and I can open next file in this PC, and with the cursor dragging down, you can see the cursor. Now the cursor will move from here to here. You can see my cursor going here, so I can switch from second monitor to first monitor by this mouse. This is easy procedure. Now I can't use only the second screen to work. For this, I have to select second screen only. The screen of the monitor will be off, turned off, and the screen on the TV or second monitor will be popped up. So this is the procedure. Control Fn plus F8. Fn means function. So for this time I'm just extending on both the screen. So this is the procedure to make your screen work on a multiple monitor. That will make your work easy and reliable. You can do with other monitor as well by connecting them on your PCs with the help of HDMI port. So this much for today. Thank you.